nobody is Superman if we don't have X-ray vision to see that. I worked on the oil rigs where I was the first responder. Hello, my name is THERIOT, and welcome to Basic First Aid Awareness. I'm from the United States, and I have been certified in first aid and CPR since I was 9 years old. I have been a first responder for more than 15 years. I was first trained in the oil industry where I had to apply my skills several times. And after I left the oil industry, I went into the medical field where I became a registered nurse. I worked in the ER at Lafayette General Hospital for 7 years and on the cancer floor for 2 years. Basic first aid is where you will learn how to assess and handle most emergency situations. I will teach you how to perform CPR, what to do if your child is choking, how to look for signs of concussions, the proper way to handle broken bones, and the right way to clean cuts and scrapes. What should be in your first aid kit? Saline solution, hydrogen peroxide, elastic wrap, alcohol wipes, medical tape, sterile gauze, plasters,